Hi everybody, how are you doing? I'm here today to do another product review for you. We are going to be talking about tummy trouble today and indigestion and a bloated belly, or maybe acid reflux, or maybe you're having trouble swallowing even. A lot of times that's due to undigested food in the body because our diet is really bad and we're eating too many processed foods. We need to eat more raw fruits and vegetables, everyone. I'm sure that's not new news to you, right? But when we don't eat enough raw fruits and vegetables and fermented dairy products, then guess what? We get the belly bloat, we get the indigestion, we get it all. So, and we can even get some chronic disorders going on as well. So you really need to pay attention to that. But if you are in a pinch and you are traveling, you're not home, you can't eat all the good food that you need to eat, you need to maybe have these on hand. This brand is called Enzymedica. I love this brand. This is the brand that I use. Of course, enzymes, you can get different brands, but I'm just telling you about Enzymedica today because I really like it. And it works. I can attest to it. There's some that are specifically for fat digestion. There's some for dairy. So if any of you have problems with dairy intolerances, this is great in case you accidentally ingest dairy. They also have some specifically for gluten. My son has a gluten intolerance. These were a lifesaver when he would accidentally ingest gluten. Now, he stayed off the gluten, as much as he could, but still, sometimes it just happens. So we would have those on hand, and they would take care of his brain fog, they would take care of his gastro issues, and they would take care of his rash that he would get. So keep those on hand if you're gluten intolerant for the accidents that happen sometimes. And if you have celiac disease, you need to be even more cautious, of course, but keep them on hand for an emergency, right? Another thing that you can use too for tummy troubles is ginger. Ginger is really good for the tummy, but in case you don't like to just, eat ginger because it's kind of sharp, doTERRA makes this little, it's called Digest Zen, and you put a few drops in water and you take it, and it really eases the stomach from indigestion or belly bloat. It works very quickly too. So those are my little products that I'm pushing today. Definitely go get you some, keep them. They're kind of like an emergency kit item, I think, because who wants to go around with a stomach ache? Not me, right? And I don't want to take antacids because those are really bad for me. So keep some enzymes, a multiple digestive enzyme, or specifically gluten and dairy for those of you who are intolerant, or some Digest Zen. And if you need, if you want to try this, then you have to have a wellness advocate. And I have a great one. Her name is Chastity Dedman, and I put her name down below. That's who you would contact for this particular product. But for these, you buy these at your local health food store or a Sprouts grocery store. I love Sprouts. They have wonderful, wonderful vitamin sections. So anyway, have a wonderful day, and I wish you well, and you have a great weekend. And if you need any nutritional information or help with your diet, please don't hesitate to give me a call or an email at stephaniewilkinscnc.com. That's my website, and you can fill out the contact page there and get my newsletter or sign up for a consultation, and I'm happy to assist you. You have a wonderful day. God bless you. Bye-bye.